How can you start an Amazon business without ever taking a course, without ever touching the business, or learning how to even run the business? I'm gonna give you two options. Option A, or option number one, is to be the bank. What does that mean? If you have access to capital or credit and you don't want to learn all of this stuff, you can partner with someone that doesn't have the bank or doesn't have access to the capital or credit, but has access to the time. I'm talking to parents, I'm talking to relatives, I'm talking to friends, I'm talking to investors. If you have money and you don't have time, you can be the bank and you can have someone who you trust who wants to learn a high income skill set, learn how to do this. Watch all my free videos. Watch one of my programs, join my mentorship, learn exactly how to do this, and you put up the credit, you put up the capital, the working capital, they put up the time, they learn it, you guys partner, and you work out some type of equity deal, right? Where it's 50-50 or 70-30. That's for you guys to discuss, but that's a way that you can get invested in this business and take action on this business, take action on this opportunity without having to learn and physically do things yourself. Another way, or option B, option two, is that you can make an investment with us. You can make an investment with us where you own 100% of the business. There is no rev share. We don't own any fraction of the equity in your business, and we will literally find your product, do the product research for you, which is manual, by the way. There's no way to automate this. There's no software that automates it. Do the product development, meaning making your product better than everybody else's so you crush when you launch it, handling the logistics, the importing, the exporting, the taxes, the tariffs, literally getting your product from China to Amazon, and then creating your listing. I'm talking about the photos, I'm talking about the description, the title, the bullets, the keywords, the entire listing, launching your product, managing keywords, managing PPC, manage the advertising, managing your entire business for you, so you have a passive business that's working for you without you working for it. Now, this does have a caveat. You have to have access to some capital, you have to have access to some credit. But if you want to start a business without you actually learning the skill set, being in the trenches, and managing the business, this is two different ways that you can do this. Either or works. Now, so many people say, well, Josh, I thought you were going to show me how to start this business with no money. I want to be completely transparent. I give you guys the game for free. But this is not one of those businesses where you can make your first $1,000 online with no money. It just simply is not. This is a real business, a real sustainable and scalable business, but it does take real effort and a real amount of income that you put into it, right? A real amount of actual capital that you invest. It takes money to make money in this game. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.